Greetings! Just another quick video to tell you that my newest Patreon video is up. This is the end of a 3-part series. First we did the regular channeled Tubular Herringbone, then we did the twisty version, which is very shiny and very pretty. Now we're gonna do it even more, and we're gonna do something weird. This is what I call power nodes. It's got the regular channeled herringbone, and it's got some interesting little details here using super duos and bicones. So it's kind of cool, a little nifty, a little eccentric, but really fun regardless. And these add little nice breaks so you're not doing the whole thing repetitively. There's some repetition, but yeah. If you would like to learn how to make this, come and join me down in Patreon, patreon.com/odins.musings, and you will find the tutorial there. And also, feel free to join us on our Discord group. Everybody is welcome there, and we talk about beading, we talk about other random crafts and life events, things like that. It's just a nice place to socialize and engage with other beaders, and we all need some more socializing, especially in these times. I did this because I'm kind of phasing out of the Facebook group. There was issues with notifications and no one being able to talk with each other as much, so this is a really nice compromise. If you would like to join us there, there's a link in the description box below for the Discord link. It'll show you how to sign up for an account, and then it will join you over onto this channel. That is all. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.